Canon EOS Rebel T7, EOS 2000D review. Canon's no-frills entry-level DSLR gets a very minor update. Our verdict. With the main genuine distinction over the EOS Rebel T6/EOS 1300D being the redesign of the sensor from 18MP to 24.1MP, it's difficult to get hyped up for the EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D. On the off chance that there was an uprated AF framework with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF and touchscreen control, alongside tenderfoot well-disposed graphical interface, the new camera would be substantially more engaging suggestion. 4. Simple to utilize. Sensibly spread out controls. Tolerable battery life. Against. Dated 9.f. Just 3 FPS burst shooting. Plastic wrap-up. No touchscreen. Drowsy Live View centering. Just 1080p video. EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D is Canon's most recent contestant into the aggressive passage-level DSLR segment, supplanting the EOS Rebel T6/EOS 1300D. With a generally low value point, section-level DSLRs can be detectably less expensive than a considerable measure of compacts and scaffold cameras. These are the cameras that customarily acquaint new clients with a brand, with producers trusting it'll be the one they stay with as they extend their insight and develop as picture takers. While the EOS Rebel T7i, EOS 800D outside the US, is Canon's more premium passage-level offering, the EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D is gone for the more cost-cognizant client who's set up to forfeit a couple of highlights at a more moderate cost. In any case, is the EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D a bargain too far? Highlights. Fundamental highlights unaltered from T6/1300D. New 24.1MP sensor replaces 18.1MP chip. Still no touchscreen or 4K video. The main significant distinction between the EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D and the EOS Rebel T6/EOS 1300D is the sensor. Out goes the now exceptionally old 18MP sensor for a more up-to-date 24.1MP chip. In spite of the fact that it's not the most recent age chip that is inspired in any semblance of the EOS Rebel T7i/EOS 800D, however, a more established variation that we found in the EOS Rebel T6i/EOS 750D. While Canon is presently onto the 8th manifestation of its Digic picture processor with the landing of the Digic 8 unit in the EOS M50, the Rebel T7/2000D sticks with the Digic 4 Plus that was in the Rebel T6/1300D, a processor that was at that point looking really dated when that camera was declared a few years back. Local affectability continues as before at ISO 106,400, expandable up to 12,800. Other feature highlights stay unaltered. The unassuming 9-point-F framework stays in the EOS Rebel T7/EOS 2000D, with no indication of Canon's splendid dual-pixel CMOS AF framework for energetic live view centering, while the flush-sitting 3.0 and show keeps up the same 920K DAB pixel check, and forgoes touchscreen usefulness. There's additionally a 95% scope optical viewfinder, quite standard on section-level DSLRs. While that won't not seem like you are missing much, it merits giving careful consideration to the edges of the edge while assessing pictures, as you may discover undesirable components crawling into your shots. Wi-Fi and NFC network are available, however there's no Bluetooth Low Energy choice, as in any semblance of the EOS Rebel T7i/EOS 800D. Except for the EOS 5D Mark IV, Canon hasn't decided to incorporate 4K video catch on its ongoing DSLR discharges, so it's nothing unexpected not to discover 4K on the Rebel T7/2000D. Rather, it offers Full HD, 1920 by 1080, video recording, with 30, 25 and 24 FPS edge rates accessible.